Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this date night look. If you want to know how to get this, please keep watching. We're going to go in with raw sienna and burnt orange, which is these two colors right here. Tap off the excess, and then we're going to go in. These are our transition colors. And then we're going to go in with Cyprus Ember, which is this dark brown shade. And then we're going to put it on the outside of our crease, right here in the V. So we can have a deeper color to deepen it up. Like such, we're going to pat it and then blend. So then we're going to take Primavera, which is this color right here. And then we're going to put this on the lid. For mascara, I use the Maybelline Illegal Length Fiber Extensions because it blends really well with the false lashes. And then I use the Ardell Demi Whispies. And to tightline, I use the Morphe eyeliner in Dark Room. Just an eyeliner pencil. For the center of my face, the two primers I use is the Baby Skin and the Prime Shield. And for the perimeter of my face, I use the Smashbox Full Finish Primer. And then for foundation, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in the shade 11. And then I just use my Real Technique sponge to blend it all in. And then for concealer, I'm using the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows. It's the LA Girl Prolong Concealer. translucent powder and my big powder brush to dust this all off and to set the rest of my makeup. So for my contour today, I'm using Half Hearted by Makeup Geek. And I'm going to go into the hollows of my cheek and I'm going to bring my contour down right here to make this more defined. I have a round face, so it's going to make it more narrow. And then I'm going to contour under my chin and then around my forehead. So now I'm going to set my face with my Fix Plus. I'm going to first line my lash line with the same eyeliner that I use to tightline, and that's the Morphe Dark Room. And I'm going to go under, and then I'm going to use Corrupt to blend it out, and then that's going to give me that smoky effect. And then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Geek Corrupt eyeshadow and this flat liner brush, and I'm going to line the bottom lash, and then I'm going to set it and blend it out just a little bit with this small detail brush. And just filling my lips with the liner, and then I'm gonna go in with her liquid lipstick in Ginger.